Well, I'm bored. I got nothing to do. I'm so freaking bored. Hey, Bear, what do you think we should do? Well, I don't really know. I mean, I don't know. I just got this gun off of eBay. Yeah. Did I let you buy a gun off of eBay? Yeah. Is that even real? Duh. See, it's a pistol and orange. Yup. Let's play with the Rubik cube. How did you even get that so fast? I don't know. I just found it, I guess. Alright. Guess we could play it. Alright. Can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. Please tell me I'm doing it correctly. Dude, you barely look like you're even doing it. But I can do it. See? Wait, hold up. I'm gonna do what? Is this good enough? I mean, I almost got the green. And I almost got the red. I hate Rubik's Cube. Well, why don't you try it? Seriously? I'm sorry, I can't tell. Well, I guess we could try it. What do you... I think I did it. Really? Yup. Whippy! Oh, now I'm getting up. Alright. That's barely completed! What? Die! Crap! Gotta pull the gun again. Piece of crap. Yay! Like that! Ah! Woody, I'll help you. Oh, wait, I'm falling. Guys, I'm not really falling. I'm just pretending. Oh no! Ah! Get that away. I don't even want it. You know what? I'm just gonna sit down and like. Good night, people.